Algebra is the part of mathematics that is used to help solve problems. It's about finding an unknown or putting real-life problems into equations and then solving them. It provides a way for a problem to be written down so that its solution can be more easily found. In algebra, letters are used to represent numbers and quantities in equations. These letters are called variables or pronumerals. In a problem, the pronumeral often stands for the unknown thing that we're trying to find. The letters X and Y are very commonly used, but it doesn't have to be those. It can be any letter that makes sense in the given situation. Like if you were talking about height, you might want to use the letter H, or for distance you might use D. So here's an example of a problem. What is the cost of 7 apples if each apple costs 50 cents? In this problem, we could let C stand for the cost. So C would equal 7 lots of 50 cents, 7 times 50 cents. We could then write an equation, C equals 7 times 50. Solving this equation would give C equals 350 cents, or $3.50. Now, whilst most people would simply work out this problem in their head, it's algebra like this that allows us to work out much more difficult problems. Before heading into the world of algebra, there are a few things to be aware of. The multiplication symbol is left out. So 4 times p, we just write 4p. 37 times g times h just becomes 37gh. The division symbol is replaced by a division bar called a vinculum. So d divided by 3, we write as d over 3. Numbers are written in front of letters. We write 8w, we don't write w8. The number 1 is often left out, as it's assumed, so instead of 1m, we can just write m. Letters are written in alphabetical order, so E times P times H times C, we would write CEHP. Our good old friend BODMAS still applies. Anytime you do maths, once you've learned BODMAS, you will always use it. It's not something that you cover in maths class for a couple of weeks and then you move on and you don't touch it again. No. BODMAS always applies. Brackets can be left out when using a division bar. So we can just have a plus b all over 5. We don't have to put the a plus b in brackets. And finally, numbers are written last in an expression. So we write 2p plus 6. We don't write 6 plus 2p. So there you go, a quick introduction to algebra, just to get you started down the path. Well, that's the video done. If you liked it, brilliant. Hit the like button and leave me a comment too. Now you know what to do. Go hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.